So hi y'all, I hope you're doing good, and today I'm going to show you how I create my signature gradient glossy lip, and it has a lot of sparkle and a lot of shine. So let's start off. So for the first step, we're going to start with the Vilva lip scrub, and this one is beautiful. It works really well on the lip. It has a bit of like a sugary, scrubby sensation when you're applying it, and you just use your fingers and make some circles and take off any dead skin which is sitting on top of your lip. It helps to make your lips a lot more smoother, which helps for the tints to stick really well on. So you can wipe it off with a cloth, and then I'm going to use the Face Shop Water Fit tint, and this one is in the shade 05 Cherry Kiss. It's a beautiful dark red tint, and we're going to apply this towards the inner areas of the lip. So we're doing a gradient lip, and when you see a gradient lip, the color is darker towards the inner area and it slowly spreads into the lighter colors. All the product names, links, and the shade names will be given down in the description bar below. You can always go and check those out there. And then I'm just going to use my finger and slowly smudge out the edges. Make sure you're working fast because lip tints dry really fast. So just slightly smudge it out and it gives you a very natural color. And then you can take off the excess by using a cloth. And this is going to give you like the most natural looking lip color. I think this is very, very beautiful. You can just go ahead with the water tint and that itself will be fine. Let's say you want to add a little more structure, you can use a lip liner, and this one is beautiful especially because it's kind of like a peachy brown color, so it looks just like skin. I'm just gonna go start and overdraw my lips a little bit and start filling in the edges wherever we have a little hyperpigmentation. So make sure that you get this lip liner if you have medium skin, and finding a peachy toned lip liner for medium skin is very, very hard. And I think this one is amazing for it. I'll leave the links down in the description bar below, and these will all be on sale on the 23rd and 24th during the Amazon Prime Day sale. So you can always shop at that time. So this lip liner is amazing. It's very, very long lasting and very creamy. You can see that it kind of glides on the skin very smoothly and has a very good opacity. So I think this is a great one. So now you can just start applying it towards the inner areas wherever you have a bit of hyperpigmentation. You can go back to the tint and slightly fill in the gaps. And then I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and buff out the edges a little because we're doing a gradient lip. I don't want a sharp end. So this is going to give you like a much more hazier blend. So now let's move on to the star of the show, which is the Lakme Absolute Plump and Shine lipstick, and this one is the shade Plum Shine. It has a beautiful reflex, like it has a purplish tint with a lot of purple, blue, pink kind of flecks of glitter which is running through it. Beautiful, amazing formulation. It looks beautiful on the lip, and you'll see that shortly. So pat it in because you don't want to move the lip liner as well as the lip tint, and we're not working on the coverage, we're just working on a little bit of the gloss. And then I'm going to move on to another shade called Beige Shine. I think this is perfect for everyday use, and we're going to use this towards the outer ends because over there is not a lot of color. So this is going to just look very neutral, a very nude color actually. So just slightly add a bit of it towards the ends, and that just gives you a very beautiful reflex with bounce. Now just use a lip brush and slightly smudge out the edges. Don't mix it all together. Just work on the edges and you're pretty much good to go. I think it's the most beautiful lip ever, and this is my most favorite one. So this is the completed look, and I hope you all enjoyed it. And the gloss is beautiful. It does not have a sticky texture. It's extremely lightweight and very, very comfortable to wear. I hope you all enjoyed this one, and stay tuned for more. All the product names and links are given down in the description bar below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys for another one. Until next time, bye.